In this video, I'm going to be doing a camera comparison between the Z Fold 5 and the Z Fold 6. But before we start, I just want to say that I was doing all this stuff in the Samsung store, so I felt super awkward, and I had the staff watching me looking over my shoulders and stuff like that. So I couldn't exactly get perfect angles and good shots, but I really wanted to see how these cameras would compare, even if it's just a quick little test in bad lighting. But yeah, some of the main things to look for in this comparison is how each camera handles noise, contrast, and sharpness. Let's get into it. So that was basically it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, which one you think did better. I know that the pictures are not that good. I know that the angles are going to be different because I was really struggling to, get them the same and hold them, especially with the Z Fold 6 being attached to the wire and stuff like that. But it is bad lighting and both phones are shooting in the same conditions, even though the angles are slightly different. So you can definitely see if there's a difference in quality and how the phones handle certain things. And also, I know that the Z Fold 6 will probably get an update before launch or around launch to improve the camera or optimize and stuff like that. So this might not be the final software, but it is just something to gauge how the phone is right now, at least before it gets into the hands of the public. So yeah, again, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more content on the Z Fold 6 when I get mine. And if you enjoy this video and other videos on my channel, consider subscribing, and also consider joining the channel and becoming a member/supporter so that you can help me get these devices and continue to do more content on YouTube and just make similar videos. You can do that by pressing the join button below the video or checking the link in the description. Until the next video, we out. Peace.